can't rush a place so slow. Life in Langkawi ain't no race. Every moment touching grace. Where's that whisper? Come unwind. Leave your worries fall
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. As you can see, I'm at the airport and welcome to another travel vlog. This time we are going to another new destination and that is Langkawi in Malaysia. It's another island. तो अभी बस हम लोग lounge पे जा रहे हैं, कुछ खाएंगे पिएंगे and yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. तो वी आर एट आर बोर्डिंग गेट एंड अभी तक स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुई है फ्लाइट के अंदर घुसने की लाइन. ऑलरेडी बहुत डिले हो चुका है. वी आर फ्लाइंग विद बाटिक एयर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. इट्स अ मलेशियन एयरलाइन, इट्स अ बजट एयरलाइन ऑल्सो. तो या अभी तक तो गेट चेंज हो चुका है ऑलरेडी ना. फ्लाइट की बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो रही है. लेट्स सी कब स्टार्ट होगी. So after about 6 hours we have made it to Malaysia, but this is not our final destination. अभी हम कुआला लंपुर में लैंड कर रहे हैं. Next we have to go to Langkawi. पहले हमें इमिग्रेशन कराना है. Probably change the airport, so let's figure that out. So we didn't actually have to change the airport, बस immigration करके we had to come to the domestic side and now we have a very long layover 4 घंटे का. So I'm waiting for another 2 hours. Meanwhile we're roaming around, see if we can grab some coffee and yeah, I'm excited to go to Langkawi.
Wake up to the sun on the sea. Palm trees nodding just for me. Island breezes whispering low. Take it easy, let it flow.
So we have made it to Langkawi finally. बहुत ही छोटी फ्लाइट थी सेकंड वाली, hardly half an hour and बहुत छोटा एयरपोर्ट भी है, very cutesy. We got our stuff and now we're heading to the hotel. We actually had the airport ride complimentary from the hotel, so we're going there now. And yeah, SIM भी ले लिया है, so let's go. I'm really excited. The vibe of this place is very different, but we love it.
Simple coconut in the shade. Chillin' like lemonade. Sand between every toe. Can't rush a place so slow.
So we finally made it to our hotel. Actually हमारा होटल एयरपोर्ट से बहुत ही ज्यादा पास है. Like it's literally next to it. 2 मिनट में हम लोग आ गए. But the resort we are staying at is amazing. मस्त पूल अभी मेरे सामने दिख रहा है. मैं तुम्हें एक फटाफट से रूम टूर देती हूँ, व्यू दिखाती हूँ. So this is where you enter from. Right at the entrance we have tea, coffee, water, etc. Then we have the storage unit right here. Here is the washroom. We have a shower area, other stuff, a sink and a bathtub which I absolutely love. And a mirror here, and then we have yet another mirror over here. Next up here is the room. We have this king size bed. We also have this really nice painting. Here is the TV unit. Then we have a study table, yet another mirror, so many mirrors, and then another seating area. काफी बड़ा room है. And then let me show you the view. Look at that. We have the pool. Right there is the airport का runway. Then this is the entire hotel. Although it is far from I think all the main attractions, like beach वगैरह काफी दूर है, but they have a shuttle running every day at 6 PM to go to the Senang beach. तो यहाँ का काफी popular and main beach है. बस एक grab book करना बहुत easy है यहाँ पे. You can use the grab app, book a taxi wherever you want to go, and I think even affordability wise काफी सही है Langkawi. It's not very expensive, although 1 Malaysian ringgit is like 20 rupees for us. But yeah, we're just gonna rest, freshen up for the day, and let's see where we're gonna go first. So before heading out, we're exploring the property. Currently we are at level 2. Ta-da! Already Christmas is ready. The huge Christmas tree. This is the lounge area. Let's go outside.
Life in Langkawi ain't no race.
हवा तो मस्त चल रही है लेकिन unfortunately it's raining. Somehow it's not even the rainy weather over here, लेकिन पता नहीं बारिश हो रही है. So let's see where we can actually go.
Every moment touching grace. Waves that whisper come unwind.
Okay, so we had lunch, I took a shower and now I'm all ready. अब weather भी थोड़ा सा better लग रहा है. It's not raining at least. So now we're gonna head out, probably go to the Eagle Square first. वो काफी popular attraction है यहाँ पे. Let's go.
Waves that whisper come unwind. Leave your worries far behind. By the sunset splash of gold. Stories of the
So our first stop is the Eagle Square. Now we're gonna explore the area. It's quite green. काफी कम लोग हैं, शांति. It's not very crowded, which is great, I think. So yeah, let's go ahead and explore. I see the eagle over there. Let me show you a close up. That is the Maha Tower.
Making dreams just overflow. Feeling like no shoes required. Feel the soul getting inspired. Maybe we'll just stay a while. Cause freedom wears a tropical smile.
Since it was raining, we were trying to spend all our time indoors, and this mall was right opposite the Eagle Square, so we checked it out. By the way, Langkawi is a duty-free island, so chocolates, perfumes and liquor is very cheap over here. So we bought a few chocolates too that we really can't find in India.
My life in Langkawi ain't no race.
There are also many 7-Elevens over here, so you can check it out.
Every moment touching grace. Waves that whisper.
So we're just roaming around, walking on the streets, which is awesome. नई नई जगह देखने मिल रही हैं. The greenery is amazing and fresh air, जो दिल्ली से तो बहुत better है. Also it's still raining, वो थोड़ा सा annoying है. If you have a lot of time, you can definitely go inside the park and walk around, just enjoy the greenery. अब हम थोड़ा सा और आगे जाते हैं, देखते हैं what else Langkawi has to offer.
Unwind. Leave your worries far behind.
I also noticed that the prices of all the brands over here are much lesser than compared to India. So if you like shopping, this place is awesome for you. So after a very long car ride and पूरा रास्ता इतना सुनसान था, it was very dark, not well lit at all. We finally made it to Chenang Beach, जो again main attraction है. And यहाँ पे actually मस्त roll चौल है, good lighting, lot of cafes, a lot of people also, a lot of shopping markets and stuff are here, which is a great area to be in. अब हम beach आए रात को, beach पे तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं देख सकते, but यहाँ पे काफी cafes है, so we'll have dinner over here. And yeah, let me show you around what the views are like.
Life in Langkawi ain't no race. Every moment touching grace.
It's dinner time now, and this area has a lot of cafes and Indian restaurants as well. But this Yellow Beach Cafe is very, very popular over here. So we went inside. The ambience was pretty nice and cozy. Got a seat, and they have a very limited menu, but we got ourselves some drinks along with veg and non-veg pasta and garlic bread. Definitely recommend you to check this place out. Another place you shouldn't miss is this chocolate shop. It had the best duty-free prices and great variety. Ended the day with Oreo McFlurry from McDonald's and went back to our hotel.
Waves that whisper, come unwind. Leave your worries far behind. Life in Langkawi ain't no race. Ain't no race. Ain't no race.
Yes, the breakfast buffet was huge and so much variety. Also Indian food, which was so tasty. Loved it. Hey guys, it's the next day. काफी मस्त नींद आई, and as you saw, मस्त breakfast भी कर लिया है सुबह सुबह. Quite heavy, and thankfully they did have a special Indian corner. Now as you can see, I'm all ready. This is my little island girl fit, shells and this cord set with a skirt. And now unfortunately it is still raining today, and I don't understand क्या problem है weather की. बारिश रुक ही नहीं रही है, and coincidentally हम जितने भी दिन आए हैं रोज बारिश होने वाली है. So I don't know हम क्या और कैसे करने वाले हैं. आज हमारा plan था to go to the Sky Cab, which is the major attraction over here. Basically it's a long ropeway and must views आते हैं, लेकिन बारिश तो रुक नहीं रही. So I don't know how we're gonna go. So let's see. I don't know, बहुत ही ज़्यादा impromptu trip चल रही है because we literally cannot plan anything. So जो भी होता जाएगा, I'll take you guys along with me and let's go and head out in Langkawi. So we booked a grab to Crocodile Adventure Land, which is the largest crocodile park in Malaysia.
Every moment touching grace. Touching grace.
So we've come to the Crocodile Adventure Langkawi. पहले हम aquarium जा रहे थे, but we've already been there a million times. So we thought let's go for a crocodile adventure. Let's get the tickets and let's see what this is like. It's going to be a unique experience.
Waves that whisper, come unwind. Come unwind. Leave your worries far behind.
Look at that. Oh my god. This place is home to over 1,000 crocodiles, and it's so fascinating to look at all the different ones. These crocodiles range from tiny hatchlings to massive giants, and you can also do crocodile feeding here, which is so much fun. पे एक्चुअली काफी टाइप के अलग अलग crocodiles हैं. Some 40 years old, 50 years old. It's so scary also. And over here you can get a picture clicked by holding it in your hand, but it's too scary. मेरी बस की तो है नहीं. देखते हैं अब और कौन से टाइप के crocodiles हैं यहाँ पे. This one is 4.6 meters long. Oh my god. 22 years old female. So at the Crocodile Adventureland, they also have a lot of thrilling shows that you can watch. We saw two of them. The first one was the feeding show, where the crocodiles basically leap out of water to eat their food. And the second show, believe it or not, the trainers over there, they kissed a crocodile, sat on its back, and even put their hands inside its jaws. It is just so cool to watch them do this. Obviously, don't try this at home.
Mr. Sham will try to kiss the crocodile mouth. And the little guys anyway. Crocodile have a very thick skin and also can hold up a little more.
And look at this unique crocodile which does not have a tail. So we came to the Sky Cab area because it was close to the Crocodile Adventure Island. तो हमने सोचा ये भी check out कर लेते. Although people told us कि maybe it's not operational because of the wind. And yes, it turns out कि weather तो फिर भी clear हो गया है. हवा चल रही है clearly. इसलिए ऊपर के सारे stations बंद हैं. So basically no Sky Cab for us. They are offering other things over here. जैसे यहाँ पे एक Sky Dome है. There's a 3D art museum. But we're thinking कि एक दिन पूरा tour करने जब आएंगे तभी कर लेंगे. अभी तो ऐसे ही we're just roaming around exploring.
Wake up to the sun on the sea. Palm trees not just for me.
Here
Island breezes whispering
and goes
low.
all the way there. And वो रहा वो famous eagle nest.
Sip a coconut in the shade. Chillin' like lemonade. Sand between every toe. Can't rush a place so slow.
So this entire market is called Oriental Village. यहाँ पे काफी handicraft की shops है. Batik print very popular in Malaysia. A lot of different souvenirs, gifts, goodies, clothing, काफी चीजें मिल रही है. So it's a place you can explore. Now we're going in to try this Gula Apong ice cream. It's made using palm sugar. Let's try it out. This palm tree is unique to Malaysia's coastline, so we decided to try this ice cream. And we got the Lotus Biscoff version, a sweet and creamy delight with a rich caramel-like flavor. You should definitely try this out. Next up, Naples and Paradise Craft are two very popular stores in Langkawi, and you'll find them everywhere in every market. From unique handicrafts and souvenirs to clothing, everything here is beautifully made, so you must check it out.
Life in Langkawi ain't no race.
As the sun set, we found ourselves stepping into a magical world, Dream Forest. This is a fairly new attraction in Langkawi.
Every moment
This
touching
nighttime adventure is straight out of a fairy tale with mesmerizing lights, enchanting sounds, and nature coming alive under the stars.
Please. The path ahead is a one-way route, so there's no doubling back.
Basically, they narrate a fairy tale, and meanwhile, you walk through the illuminated trails which feel like a dream.
waves that whisper, come unwind. Leave your worries for
He then carried her back into the sea.
by the sunset splash of gold. Stories of the old unfold. Stars begin the nightly show. Dreams just overflow. Feeling like no shoes required. Feel the soul getting inspired. Maybe we'll just get a while. Cause freedom wears a tropical smile. Life in Langkawi ain't no race.
It's definitely a unique experience, so this is something you can try out. The end. Our next stop was the Langkawi Night Market, a hub of local street food. Fun fact, Langkawi has a different night market every day, so you won't miss out on this experience. If you're a fan of non-veg street food, this place is definitely for you. Grilled meat, seafood and local delicacies are everywhere. But honestly, if you're not, it won't be as exciting. For me, it wasn't my vibe. But since we did come, I had spiral potato and fresh mango, the only veg food available. Then we came back to our hotel, had this cake with coffee, enjoyed the live music and called it a night. And that was just the beginning of our Langkawi adventure. I've got 3 more exciting days coming up, checking into another luxurious property, taking the breathtaking sky cab ride, doing parasailing while catching stunning sunsets at the beach and so much more. So make sure to stay tuned for the next vlog. And if you made it till here, then comment these emojis and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.